Out of the box, SSX23 and MK23 magazines come with a very small pull tab, which makes it tricky to use it with the unicorn adapter. To fix this, you can either modify the existing follower, which we cover in this video, or you can also get our upgraded mag followers, which also increase the capacity of the magazines by 4 to 5 BBs. First, push out the pin that holds the feed lips in place from the right side of the magazine. I'm using a 1.5mm hex bit. You might need to use a hammer if this is the first time you're doing this on the magazine. Once the pin is removed, carefully start removing the feed lips. Wiggle them back and forth while pulling up. It's a good idea to hold the spring and follower with a finger to make sure they don't fly across the room when you remove the feed lips. Remove the follower from the spring and set the magazine aside. When you look from the side, you can see that the follower has a sloped surface which prevents the unicorn adapter to properly grab the pull tab. Getting rid of this surface will greatly improve the ability to pull down the follower. I'll be using a utility knife to cut away most of the sloped feature. I start off by cutting it from the top and then from the side. I then use a small metal file to finish it up. Feel free to use whatever tools you have to achieve the same result. All that matters is that you end up with a nice 90-degree angle which you can grab with the tip of the unicorn adapter. All that's left to do is reassemble the magazine. Install the follower back onto the spring and make sure that the gas router is seated correctly. Wiggle the feed lips back onto the magazine until the holes for the knurled pin matches on the side. Reinstall the knurled pin from this side of the magazine, with the smooth part going in first. Give a few taps with a hammer and you're done. You can now use the unicorn adapter on the MK23 magazine without worrying it will slip off the follower.